Last time, the analyzer. Now, GEO SEO Booster turns that into action. We pick the bank contact page, set smart mode, and target all 4 AI engines: ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Gemini. A quick note on tone and facts to protect, then run Booster. It's optimizing now, scanning every line on the page.
First fixes go fast. Cleaner formatting, a duplicate list removed, the customer care heading cleaned up. Each one scored, with a reason attached.
Then it works straight down the whole contact directory. Toll-free numbers, loan helplines, car loans, gold loans, home loans, personal loans, fraud reporting, EMI support, fast tag numbers, toll and non-toll, right down to the SME helpline. Line after line, each one reformatted for clarity. Confidence sitting close to 100% almost the entire way down. Next, the website link, the office address, the email, social handles, all cleaned up and confirmed, one after another. Suggested helplines get added too. Top brands, e-commerce, travel, government. And here's the real cleanup. Old college ranking listings, random customer care entries that clearly don't belong on a bank's page. All flagged, all struck out, one by one. Connect with Us gets tidied up. Last notice, removed.